Welcome back, everybody, to the Ultralord show. With you forever, the Ultralord, your mother's favorite producer. And today we got a crazy video like we have with all the other ones. I'm going to review what I think is the most cheapest microphone I've ever seen or ever worked. I work at retail right now. I'm selling studio equipment and studio monitors and microphones and stuff like that to everybody. And this weird mic came into my catalog. So where I work, they sent me this microphone, what we use on floor, and they want me to do a video on it. So I'm gonna do a video on I don't even know what the name of this microphone is. We're gonna do a video on the Bm800 microphone recording kit. Apparently it's a kit that comes with a shock mount and everything like that. This microphone will definitely set you back by $300, anywhere between $300 to $400. You actually can even get a full setup with this microphone, where it comes with a microphone, shock mount, a stand, and an audio interface for as little as $900. That is US rands over here, not American stuff like that. So this is actually what the microphone, how it came into. It's obviously a condenser microphone and everything like that. I have my own gripes about it, just based on how it looks like and just based on what my needs and everything that I use in the studio. But you'll be actually surprised on how well this microphone actually sounds for the amount of money. Before we go into anything, let me actually just talk about the specs of the microphone right now. Besides coming with all these things, unfortunately, I don't have all the accessories that came with the microphone, so I don't have the stand, which it looks like it does come with a shock mount and everything. So I'm gonna have to be doing all these things by hand. So let's check it out. So like I said, on takealot you can get this microphone for $277. It has gone cheaper than this. I've seen it being sold for like $100. It's probably like an 80 rand microphone, honestly. But going back to that, yeah, you can even come with the different bundle prices. You can come with the whole kit. Look at this right now. Even this one, this special is even cheaper. It's coming for 516 rand to get with the interface and the microphone. You can come up with a whole studio basically for $500, $900. The quality, is it that great? I don't know. This is what I'm here to find out. But let's go with the description inside the microphone that comes over here. The features say it's a tailored frequency response, providing vocals intelligibility and crispness shock mount. Wow, English is terrible over here. Audio processing circuits suitable for high SPL environments. So SPL is obviously sound pressure level. So obviously anything that's very loud, but they're very good for very loud things because of the amplifiers that are built inside your audio interfaces that you can adjust and everything. The polar pattern is it's unidirectional frequency. I don't think so. Microphone to me looks like the capsule's in the front and the wires are coming from the back over here. So obviously it's not. I don't think it's unidirectional. I think it's but we'll test it. We definitely test it. All right. Frequency response is from 20 hertz to 16 kilohertz, a little bit on the lower side, but you must also remember when you do mastering and stuff like that, you're going to cut out those frequencies anyway. So might as well not have it. Sensitivity is minus 38 decibels. Plus minus 2 dB output. No idea what that means. The impedance is 150 ? Plus minus 30%. Okay, at 1 kilohertz. Load impedance is 1000 equivalent. It's like the people who wrote this thing don't really know what it is. But anyway, noise level is 16 dBA. All right. Electrical current is 3 milliamp microphone. Material is a steel zinc alloy. The size is approximately 14 by 48 centimeters. I don't do inches because I'm metric. And the length of the cable, which it didn't come with, so it doesn't matter. So, okay, what comes inside the box is what this guy bought. He bought it with the 294 rand special, I think, or whatever. But it came with like a shock mount. It came with this fuzzy thing that came over the stuff, and the boom mic, or the extending radio mic that comes with all this kind of stuff. I want to do some tests with this microphone and we can see what it sounds like, but right now I think I'm going to just do my recommendations on this kind of microphone. I keep saying to people as well, before you get your mind, before you even hear it, is that all these microphones and all these things they're just tools at the end of the day. And if you need to hit a hammer in or hit a nail in, and you're going to use a hammer or you're going to use a rock, it's still the same thing as long as the nail gets in the end of the day. It's still the same tool. So let's test out this microphone and see how does it sound like. Is it good? Is it worth recording? Worth the money for recording? And etc. etc. Let's check it out. Okay, so before we jump in, I did a mistake. I did this video like a couple of weeks back and I gave it to my editor and I realized there are some shots that just did not make it. Somehow got corrupted, so I gotta do this whole thing all over again. But before we go on, I just want to remind you that on my channel we have 98.4% of people who watch my videos and don't subscribe. Come on, guys. We had a huge surplus of views that came in over this December holiday and everything like that. So people are obviously getting, there's obviously traffic coming to this channel. So you got to just subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for me. Please. Hit that subscribe button. But anyway, let's do this test on this microphone. So here is the audio test with the BM8 microphone. First of all, I'm speaking right in front of the microphone. I'm sure the microphone has a lot of sibilants on it right now, but it's sounding nice and clear. Everything is still good, and all that maybe it's distorting. I'm not really sure because I've used this microphone a little bit before, but hopefully it's not clipping. Now I'm turning it 90 degrees on its axis, so you can probably hear how the sound is a little bit getting a little darker, a little bit on the dim side. It's not as exciting and everything like that. Still all good, still usable. Let's turn it exactly 180 degrees so you can hear the off-axis coloration. I told you, this microphone is cardioid, so it probably blocks anything that's happening at the back. And I'm gonna hit another 90 degrees. So that's how the BM8 microphone sounds like. The world's cheapest microphone, and it even got cheaper during this December holidays. But if this is a microphone that you're willing to buy and you're willing to use, 100% go for it. It sounds really good for podcasts. It sounds really good for voice overtakes, and it really sounds good on some vocals, depending on how much level of quality you're looking for. I would definitely stay away from the interfaces and anything like that, because my friend of mine brought it over during the holidays as well, and we worked around, and it just clipped with everything. No matter what I gave it, it just clipped. But on this microphone alone, with a good interface, paired with a good interface or sound card or whatever, it will sound good. But anyway, here's a reminder for you to hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification so you can never miss out another video. I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.